Welcome to N Day 3. We're going to start adding color today, and you want to get some variety of the same color. You're going to choose 2 of them. Test them out just on the side of your page to see which 2 will complement one another. And that means that you want to find ones that are similar, but not so similar that they could look like the exact same color. Before you start coloring, make sure that you erase all of your extra pencils so that you have a guideline but not a hard line. Taking your lighter color, you want to color in your letters following those guidelines with the lighter one first so that you can create a base. It can be hard with these Crayolas because of the tips, but try to still get nice curved edges that look more square, not square, but more rectangular than curved or circly. Like this one here is just way too circly. We need those curved lines in it. Once it's entirely filled in with your lighter color, let's add a little bit of shadow to the right-hand side and the bottom. So anything on the right-hand side, you're going to color in and then use your lighter color to blend it out. You might find that that second coat of the lighter color really darkens it like it does here. So make sure you buff out that very edge and then recolor your entire lighter part. That will help to give you also fewer coloring lines throughout. So add in your dark, even here, buff the edge, and then draw nice thick lines all the way down to solidify that color. You're going to do the same thing for your other letter. You can change up the colors slightly if you'd like, or just continue to use the same ones. I think I'll go with the darker purple for the second. Once you've colored them in and added the darker lines on the side, that will already give you a little bit of depth. But let's make them also look a touch reflective, either with a jelly roll pen or with some whiteout. The jelly roll pen might not give you enough coverage or really pop out. So if you'd like to use some whiteout instead, that is another option. Put that in the opposite corner from your shadow. So that would be the top left because we've placed our shadow in the bottom right. I also like to give a few reflection dots just so it's not quite as harsh. And usually you have reflections happening more than just in one spot. So it would go up here with those dots. And then even down here. And probably a bit of the way up that side because the light would be hitting it from this side. These funhouse style letters can be a really fun and playful way to add some variety, and also sometimes you just don't know what to do with a certain word, how to make it pop. This is a really great option for that. Don't forget to share what you create with the hashtag incyalphabet. That way it will inspire not only you to create, but all of us to create together.